one to hang on an old rugged tree. Not just a cross, but it was a lifeboat, a vessel of safety for me. Hang on to the cross, let it be your lifeboat when your ship is going down. This cross will keep you afloat. Don't ever let it go, and you'll never be lost in your time of storm. Hang on to the cross. You make me weak, weary, and worn. It's been a long, hard journey. Be not discouraged, for you're not alone. He said, I'll never leave thee. For the rains may come and the winds may blow, but you will have nothing to fear. Through all of the years and all kinds of weather, this life-saving cross